Hey everyone, this is my vintage Thermador catalog number AP161 fan heater, and this model is equipped with a thermostat. Now, I believe this was made in probably the mid 1950s or thereabouts, just given its styling. Thermador was known for making built-in wall heaters as well. They made those radiant wall heaters that probably many of you who are my age grew up with in the bathroom. They also made fan-forced room heaters that were built into the wall as well. Here's a look at the thermostat panel. I really love the way the handle and the thermostat handle look on this. Here's the bottom of it with the data plate and all that. And a little bit of a closer look at the data plate shows that this heater uses 1,650 watts, which is just a bit more than your typical heater. Here's the side of it and the back. And we'll come back around here to the front now, and we'll plug this thing in and start it up for you. Now the fan in this doesn't operate at a very high rate of speed. I believe it's in series with the heating elements, so it gets its voltage reduced rather substantially and probably runs around about 800 or 900 RPMs instead of the typical 2,000 plus RPMs that these little type of motors run at. Heating coils are beginning to get a glow to them as well, but as the fan speeds up, that glow will fade out, as you will see as the video progresses. And you can see that glow fading out now as the fan picks up speed. This unit is really quiet and puts out a really nice gentle airflow of heat. The thing of it is though is you could easily forget and leave this thing running if you happen to be in a room with it. The only way you'd remember is that the room is pretty warm. So we'll go ahead and shut this heater off now. And with that, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe as well, because of course we will have more to come. Later.